You asked, how to divide 200,000 by 190 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 20 is too small. Use 200. 200 divided by 190 equals 1. 1 times 190 equals 190. 200 minus 190 equals 10. Bring down 0, making 100. 100 divided by 190 equals 0. 0 times 190 equals 0. 100 minus 0 equals 100. Bring down 0, making 1000. 1000 divided by 190 equals 5. 5 times 190 equals 950. 1000 minus 950 equals 50. Bring down 0, making 500. 500 divided by 190 equals 2. 2 times 190 equals 380. 500 minus 380 equals 120. The remainder is 120. The final result is 1052, remainder 120.